Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro yen, I mean, technically the trend is definitely still up on all these higher time frames. This is the daily. Kind of looks to me like we might be in an A, B, C of B, maybe go up to the 78% before we actually go down and make a wave C. I think that's the most likely scenario on the daily, at least. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be looking for pullback entries to go long. This is kind of a weird pattern right here, but I do think it is a very clear pattern, though. Maybe if you're not used to these type of things, but A, one, two, three waves down, running A, B, C, of B, and we're probably now going up for the wave C, probably up to that 78% on the daily time frame, which I think is going to be an A, B, C of B. It also could just end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend, since the higher time frame uptrend is up. So I definitely am looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of every single pullback I see. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.